Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Peel and chop 1 medium onion and 2 garlic cloves. Avoid waste. Place them in a sanitized blender and add 1 to 2 tablespoons water to ease blending. Once done, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a clean jar. Press to extract juice. Make sure to perform a 24-hour patch test on your inner arm so you can catch irritation early. If no reaction, you're ready to proceed to application steps. Once your juice is ready, mix it with 1 tablespoon carrier oil or 2 tablespoons aloe gel to reduce sting and improve absorption. You will section the hair into roughly 1-inch parts and use a dropper or cotton to apply directly to the scalp where thinning occurs. Then, massage for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation and ensure even spread. After massaging, leave the mixture on for 20 to 30 minutes under a towel or shower cap to let active compounds work. When time is up, rinse thoroughly with a gentle shampoo and lukewarm water. You may need to shampoo twice to remove odor and residue. Repeat this routine up to 2 times per week, not daily. Overuse increases irritation risk. If you feel strong burning or see redness, rinse immediately and dilute the juice more next time or stop use. For progress, take photos every 4 weeks. Make sure to contact a dermatologist if you get severe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.